Alright guys, I'm taking over the channel today. I got a fancy new toy. It's been sitting in the snow. We're gonna see if it's rusted or not. And peep the new mic. Peep the dogs. They're pretty awesome. Oh yeah, get it. Anyways, bring it back over here. We're about to do the unboxing, even though me and Trey had to put it together, so this is an unboxing for y'all. Time for the reveal. Oh yeah, golden. We are going to attempt to cook smash burgers. I've never done it before. I've cooked on a Blackstone before, but not one of this size.
And French fries.
Oh, are we doing the French fries on it?
I thought so.
Alright, we're doing French fries on it as well. Google says rinse off and scrub the oil off with warm soapy water. I'm also going to need some paper towels.
Okay.
You're back. My videographer is sick, so haven't been getting real good footage. But
You haven't done anything.
been doing lots of stuff. She just hasn't been paying attention.
Have to.
She's been too busy sneezing.
It's so real.
I hope we have enough propane. I didn't think about that. Shout out to Dad for giving me his propane tank. You a real one? Oh. Oh yeah, we lit. Now we gotta let it heat up for a little bit, and then we're gonna start applying some oil, and then wiping it off. Put me some oil in this. All right, well let's keep going through what I got here. I got these little. Not really sure what you'd use that for, but sweet. Not sure that's a good idea.
Not.
Oh, the main attraction. Oh, this has been used.
You used it.
Oh, well, it didn't get washed. Oh yeah, the main attraction.
Oh yeah.
The burger smash. Ooh, you know what we didn't get? Parchment paper.
I didn't know we needed that.
Well, I kind of forgot about it until just now. This probably needs to be washed too. Alright, so we're getting a pretty good color here. It says to do it like 3 or 4 times. We're going to cook an onion and some bacon on it to kind of really season it. So we'll probably only do it like 2 to 3 times. We want it to all kind of look like that. So we're going to try to get the edges real good this time. It's almost spread to the edges. I'm gonna let it cool back down before we start.
I was literally trying to set up my tripod so that I could vlog this, but he's just ahead of the game and has already made the beef into balls. This is freaking awesome.
Freaking awesome.
We are professional vloggers now. We have a tripod and microphones.
Does that make us professional?
Yes.
They're low-key kind of warm, so I'm gonna throw them in the freezer so they'll firm up. Because we're trying to cook soon. We're gonna season the burgers with this Longhorn Espresso Thundering brisket and burgers. Ooh.
Wow.
Alright, I've never cooked an onion before, not gonna lie. I'm not sure there's a rhyme or reason to this, but I figured that we are trying to instill some flavor onto this Blackstones. Dang, these are some long pieces of bacon. I feel like Bob Ross. What does he say? I don't remember. Happy little tree over here. That's what he says. Happy little bacon over here. Happy little bacon over here. Am I gonna eat it? Probably.
Pulling down your paper towel.
Ah! No!
Spoon.
Alright, time to get to scraping with our big mamma jamma. Take us some brown sugar bourbon seasoning. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing here. I know I've got this side hot. I turned off the left side. I think I'm going to turn my temp back up because I think these are supposed to cook pretty quick. We're going to set it on there and then smash it. And I know you're supposed to push and then kind of push off. So I think half of it's probably going to end up back on this, or it's going to stick to this fully. So I may end up having to scrape it off, but we're about to see. Ooh, it didn't quite smush as much as I wanted it.
Oh, well, it's coming out the sides now.
Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. Season it?
Running out of time, it's already browning.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Lots of seasoning, lots of seasoning. Alright, how much? You think like 1 Mississippi?
I don't know. Oh.
It wasn't quite ready.
Looks like it was.
Alright, so I don't know how long to cook it for. I don't want to burn it. I think they cook pretty quick.
Yeah.
We got somewhere to put them?
Yeah. I mean, it's hot. It's going to melt on that plate too. Don't you think?
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah. Oh, I don't think you waited long enough. Can I put this on there now?
Yeah, maybe it'll bind it together.
Oh, it kind of missed.
That works pretty good. It didn't quite smash as much as I wanted.
We literally almost forgot the fries, so I had to run back out here. It was like, turn the grill back on.
Oh, they're corn.
Hello for the first time, but oh, he toasted his buns. We have got the smash burgers.
Here you go.
Oh, these look legendary. Those look so good. We just didn't fully know like the strategy of how we needed to do everything, so our burgers did get a little cold, so I am heating them back up. Not a big deal though. Let's taste test one of these fries. These are so good. I really and truly do not know what all EJ wants on his, so I'm gonna just assemble my boring one. Cannot forget these legendary fries. Oh my gosh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a very quick joint taste test of our burgers because my camera's about to die.
Yours looks so lame.
Mine looks so sad, but I don't care.
Which one's my double?
They're both double.
Oh, both double?
Cheers. That's good.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah. Okay, out of 10.
9 out of 10.
That's what I was going to say, 9 out of 10.
I think the burgers need to be a little more crispy.
And the fries, though? Honestly, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming along with our first cooking adventure on our Blackstone. We hope you guys enjoyed. There will definitely be more food being cooked on that Blackstone.
Indeed.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and so that you can stick around. We're gonna go eat some dinner and then clean up our kitchen. We'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.